Hello. I'd just like to make a quick video about my brokerage account where I day trade, stocks every month. I'm up over 25% on the month of July. I didn't have any major 10% wins or day trades or anything like that. They were all just consistent wins, 2, 3, 4%. Every week I was up, around 5%. And it added up to over 25% on the month, and I'm very happy with my account and the way things worked out this month. Also, Monday I got lucky because last Friday, all the stocks that are on my watch list dropped. I got everything at a discount. MGI, Overstock.com, DRD Gold, just to name a few. I think on Monday I bought MGI. I think I bought it for around $3 a share, and then I turned around. It went up, and I sold it, and I was in and out, in probably under 20 minutes of watching the stock market. It took no time at all. Then I also invested some money in DRD Gold, ticker symbol DRD. It dropped, I think, to 1550. Anytime it starts to drop below 1550 or lower, that's a buy signal for me, because it's a strong stock. It pays a good dividend, so the people who buy that stock like to hold on to it, and usually it's been staying above $16. I think its high was it was over 17. It might have been 18. I'm not 100% sure. My favorite stock, Overstock.com, which has made me money all month long, and I love it to death. It made me more money today. First time it went red on the day, I went ahead and bought as many shares as I could, and I resold them. It didn't take 2 minutes, and I made a quick profit. It's probably one stock I'd recommend for anybody to invest in, just because it's up over 1,000% on the week, or on the year, and it's up over 25% just on earnings, on Tuesday alone. It's a stock that I believe it's going to go as high as $100. No problem. It's got, it beat earnings. It just blew earnings out of the water. So, and with the coronavirus and everything going on, it's one of the perfect stocks to have. Invest in either short term or long term. To me, I'd rather day trade it, get my money back every day, make a quick profit, and then just continue to go. Just continue, let the money continue to add up. Let it compound. It's easy to do when you pick the right stocks. When you do a little bit of studying, stocks like Overstock.com and MGI and DRD Gold, they all pay for themselves. All you have to do is watch them and just wait. Just be patient. And another stock that I was watching this week was ticker symbol NAK. I bought it earlier this week, and I made a small profit on it. Anytime it goes down to around $1.60 or below, that's a definite buy for me. NAK was trading at over $2 last week. It just got some really good news that and it shot up I think $2.40, and now it's came back down to around $1.60. And every time, you know, it gets to around $1.60 or so, that's a buy signal. And I try to buy it because, you know, it has a lot of volatility, and it can go to $1.70 really quickly. You know, it can jump 10% in a day easily. Another company that I tried to buy today, but I was a penny off, you know, off buying it. I was that close from the ask price. Was ticker symbol CHNR. That's China Natural Resources. It went from $1.18 to $1.25 or $1.26, something like that. You know, it has, you know, it's a very cheap stock, and it jumps. It can jump very quickly, and you can make a lot of money very fast. Personally, that's another stock that I'm going to be watching this week, you know, this coming week, and I'm going to have some money set back. Just if it falls below, you know, $1.19, I'm definitely going to buy it, because, you know, just looking at its history, and, you know, in the past month, you know, it's within the week I can make 10 cents, you know, and, you know, make up to 10% profit or more, you know, if it just continues to shoot up in price. You know, MGI, on the other hand, I'm staying away from it. You know, to me, it's overpriced right now. I think it was trading around $3.40 today. I've always traded it around anywhere from $3 to $3.15. But who knows? You know, it may stay up there around $3.40. I don't know. I'll just have to continue to watch and see. In the future, BRD gold, you know, if it once again, gold's at all-time high prices right now. It just took a dip. I'm sure it's going to be back up to $16, $17 probably sometime next week as well. Another company that I was planning on buying this week that I didn't get an opportunity to is ticker symbol SHOP, Shopify. Shopify, I was trying to buy in at anything under $1,010 is a buy signal for me. That's a great buy-in price, because I know the very next day I can get, you know, I can make 30, 40 bucks. You know, I can make my money back, you know, off each share, just that quick. You know, personally, I would have bought some shares today, but I'd already, you know, day traded and, you know, bought a few shares of Overstock.com, you know, and I made my money in 2 minutes with that stock, you know, just because it's really hot right now. It's probably the #1 stock to invest in my opinion, or day trade or swing trade or whatever type, you know, however you make your money in the stock market, you know. And then other than that, you know, I always watch NVIDIA. You know, if NVIDIA or Apple, either one, you know, have a red day. If they were to fall more than 3%, I'm definitely buying, you know, every time, because those stocks right there are continued winners. You know, it's almost a given that you're gonna get your money back, you know, the very next day. So it's and then other than that, there's a few others. There's the main stocks that I watch day in and day out. And Blink, and the very last one, BLNK, Blink. It's another company that's went up over 30%. It went down today, you know, finally. But right now I'm watching to see if it'll fall any lower. See if I can't get it for a better price. But I believe that stock right there can make an awful lot of money, you know, for anybody who wants to invest in it, you know, gets into it, you know, I would say under $10, I don't know. Right now it's fluctuating wildly, so I would hold off until it calms down a little bit and see what you can actually you get it for. But hopefully, I'll continue making these videos, giving updates, and if anybody has any questions on stocks or anything, just write me in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Like I said, I made over 25% this month, and I'd be more than happy to help anyone else out there wanting to day trade. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I hope you all have a great weekend.